Good morning. We're going to start with the demo presentation. The last week, our project went from having a single request of a single food with a quantity to be able to build a list of food. Uh, Here, we're gonna try that. Let's gonna say kiwi, 100 grams. We add, then we can go like peanut, 100 grams. I'm gonna say lime, 100 grams. So this one create a list of food with different quantities that we're gonna make a call on here on this list. We can actually update the item if we want to change something or not. Let's gonna cancel it, and we can call and hit our backend with that call. Here we're gonna see. Here's the processing, and here we have the answer of these three elements. Basically, what it does is take all the results from these three elements and add it together. So we have like, for example, let's gonna say something more familiar. It's alphabetically ordered. Uh, let's say carbohydrates. So basically here we have total carbohydrate per 100 grams. We put it, so this one already made the math for us. In total, we will have 200,000, 237,370 carbohydrates. Then we have another, a long, long list. Uh, this kind of mess with the performance because I'm sending absolutely everything. I will have to implement some form of pagination. I already did it, but the problem was like everything was going even slower. So I have to figure out what happened with that and improve that performance. Let's gonna come back here and there we can go because I'm implementing a user backend. So we're gonna create a user that will have an ID, and basically all this response we get here. I'm just gonna make the call again. Um, I don't like so much the performance there, but we can see that in the future, see what's going on, how we can improve it. Uh, Here we have like all this answer we get from the our endpoint. What I want to do is to make a user that will get an ID, then we can make an authorization and everything. And based on that, we're going to create a second table that will be user contents, and we will save this information and a date. So with this one, we can then hit that point, get all the information, and make different kind of graphs and everything. First of all, I'm interested to do a graph with the macros and the calories, like fats, protein, carbohydrates, and energy. And this one we can implement a graph here. So when we want it, we can see our progress and how much we were eating during the time. The second part will be interesting, but I'm still thinking how to implement it. Will be to have these quantities, take the compounds, the basically the most relevant, let's say vitamin D, and uh, we can have like how much we should eat, let's say in a week, and see if we hit our goals to have good nutrition. Nope, here we don't have vitamin D. None of these components are heavy on vitamin D, but with the different vitamins and everything, but that will be in the future. Basically, that was our progress for this week. So, thank you very much for listening. Have a nice day.